World population is growing. We're using more and more of our precious natural resources. We need more food, more clean water, more energy. The result? More pollution. If we continue, we'll destroy our environment. Examples exist all around us of the irreparable damage we're doing. We need to change, and we need to change now. Breeding animals creates huge amounts of greenhouse gases and solid animal waste. Disposal of slaughterhouse waste and animals that die on the farm must be treated responsibly to avoid the environmental impact irresponsible disposal has, including the spread of disease such as BSE, bird flu, and SARS. Add restaurant waste, out-of-date food in retail stores, and home food waste, and you can see the total amount of waste we create is terrifying. Landfill, not a good long-term idea. Bacteria and disease can find their way into the water table and ultimately our drinking water. Waste dumped into rivers or the sea can once again find its way back into the food chain. Burning this waste leads to air pollution and acid rain. About 70% of food waste is water. Burning water is obviously not the most common sense way to dispose of it. It uses lots of energy and has to be burned with other energy sources, oil, natural gas, coal, etc. These are non-renewable. Many countries are, however, burning this valuable animal-based waste, while at the same time buying expensive soybeans for animal protein. Using our solution, they can increase their own protein production. Current solutions don't deal with the long-term problem. What we need is a total solution, a solution that will stand the test of time. It needs to be profitable and not seen as an unwelcome cost. Our circular economy solution is one of the most profitable business models you can possibly imagine and a total sustainable solution. CES is a new way to think about how we treat waste. It produces valuable raw materials which can be used again and again. To achieve this, we use all the current treatment technologies and combine them into one process. Our system is the product of more than 50 years research and development and has been thoroughly tried and tested in the commercial world, producing fabulous, extremely profitable results. It consists of a rendering plant producing water and meat and bone meal, a special fat rendering line producing fat for biofuel, a water purification plant producing clean water and nitrogen fertilizer, a biogas plant which uses biomass. Our solution also produces composted clean soil. Our process kills off all animal-based diseases and produces the maximum amount of high-quality end products with the minimum waste of resource. We also get all the water we need for use in the process itself, as well as all the clean energy we need to operate. The end result being a 100% pollution-free total solution. Many of the existing solutions are not profitable, and therefore the will and enthusiasm to embrace them is just not there. Making the waste solution very profitable will help to encourage the business to embrace the change. We can provide the business plan with 5 to 6 years payback time. Our solution is modular, easy to scale, build up and maintain. Existing technologies are carefully combined into one sophisticated process, a highly refined, closed system process, resulting in zero waste and pollution. In our solution, we reuse 100% of the incoming waste. The whole process is carefully calibrated for optimum performance. We must take responsibility for our current impact on the world if we are to ensure that future generations enjoy a pure, unpolluted environment and a pure, unpolluted food chain. We have a solution that will help deliver this future. It's fully tested and ready to go, fast to build and easy to adapt according to needs. We must take responsibility, not just for our future, but the future of our children and grandchildren. The very survival of our fragile ecosystem depends on us accepting this responsibility. This is our circular economy solution concept. It's our responsibility to create a better world and a brighter future together.